Chad Rudolph Electronic Repair here. Welcome to the channel. First, if you haven't been here before, feel free to like and subscribe on the video if you like it. Comment if you have any questions or comments. And let's see what we got in the shop today, guys. Hello guys, good morning. Saturday, a little before 8. We have a Lowrance HDS7 Gen 3 on the bench. Customer wants us to replace the power connector. Should be hopefully a quick and easy one. Even though they want the power connector replaced, I see the main power pins look okay to me. So should boot fine. That backlight is either not working or the unit's very dim. Hey guys, so we're back. We found, this is a backlight job we did for a customer a while back. We found the boost converter was bad and it looks like it's physically damaged. I don't know if you can see that, the coil's physically broken, so I don't know what happened. But in any case, we did replace the boost converter and retest it for the customer, and it works perfect. So what we're going to do is go back to the original complaint about the power connector. Now the power connector does work fine for us. There is a couple pins broken. It's not related to power, it's actually related to NEMA, the older NEMA system. But the request was to replace the power connector, and that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and do that. We salvaged a connector off of a parts board. We cleaned it up really well. It looks beautiful. It looks brand new. Customer's gonna have no problems with this whatsoever. It's an excellent connector. So let's pop off the old connector. We're gonna take the board out, take the old connector off, clean up all the pads really well, install the new connector, solder it on there, put it back together, test it, and this job should be done. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and remove the motherboard. And we're going to put some flux on the pads there of the power connector. We're going to start flooding it with low temp solder. This will allow this thing to easily pop off with a hot air gun. There we go. Gonna add some heat to it and gently pull from the bottom, and it should come right out. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and use some solder wick, and we're gonna clean up all these pads. We want to get all that low temp solder out of there. We don't want to have low temp in the final product here. So go ahead and clean the board up. We got some flux there. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and take that new connector. Add some flux. We're going to use our standard solder. We're not using low temp solder now. And here we go. I'm going to solder each one of those pins. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and clean the flux up as well. It's not necessary, but we like to make things look nice and clean. And there it is, beautiful. Look at that. We're going to reassemble. And we're going to give this thing a good test, make sure sonar works, GPS works, and this should be good to go for the customer, guys. There we go, guys. This one's done.